Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A10 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's stay here and focus on this settings bar. Now we have to tap to the second from the right button to get access to our aspect ratio. We are in 3 and 4, we can also pick 9 and 16. And as you can see, the background has changed now to the longer one, so this is how it works. Another tap here, and let's move to 1 and 1, the square one. And when we pick this button once again, we can also move to the full one, so now we have full camera frame, full aspect ratio. And of course, when we tap to the second from the right button once again, we can pick whatever we need. Now let me go back to 3 and 4, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.